Discernment, the choice of life. Discernment breathing is a 3-part inhale, retaining the breath and then exhaling. So we'll be inhaling through the nostrils into the lower abdomen and then taking a pause. Continue with the same inhale into the midsection and take a pause. Continue with the same inhale into your upper chest and hold the breath for 6 counts. And then exhale for 6. Find yourself in a comfortable, easy position and exhale all the breath out of the body. Inhale into your lower abdomen and pause. Inhale into your midsection, pause. Inhale into your upper chest and retain for 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale lower belly, pause. Inhale midsection, pause. Inhale upper chest, retain for 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhaling 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, inhale lower belly, pause. Inhale midsection, pause. Inhale upper chest, pause. Retain the breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhaling 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And relax, breathing natural. Discernment Meditation. Reflect upon the life force in your breathing, nurturing and supplying life. Reflect upon the intelligence of the life force moving your body and all its systems. Reflect upon the life force moving through your intellect. Reflect upon the life force flowering in your heart. And reflect upon darkness and light, emptiness and fullness and wholeness.